Hello Ethan, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. 18. Handa na ba ang global festival na Lollapalooza at Summer Sonic? Yes po, ang Lollapalooza sa Amerika at Summer Sonic sa Japan. This year na po yan. Next month, July ang Lollapalooza at August ang Summer Sonic. Amplify, drive external engagement, take SB19 content outside the fandom bubble and into festival spaces. Zero distraction, maintain professional disciplines. Protect the brand by ignoring noise and staying focused on the music. Strategic stream, optimize playlists, seed festival seat list on the global platform to capture casual listeners and audiences. Secure the leads. Complete daily voting priorities like SIC Awards at USIN. Ito yung from Brazil, ang SIC Awards, habang sa Japan naman ang USIN without losing momentum on the live stages. O diba? Kaya naman all-out support tayo sa Lollapalooza at Summer Sonic journey ng ating mahalima. Kaya naman good luck at congratulations!